Hi everyone, welcome back to Food for Life, where we bring delicious recipes to your kitchen. Today, we're going to be making a sweet and soft treat that's perfect for any occasion, Khajoor. It's a traditional dessert that's fluffy, flavorful, and sure to satisfy your sweet tooth. So let's dive into making this mouth-watering Khajoor. Let's start by cracking those 3 eggs into a bowl. Be sure to check for any shells. Add 1 cup of sugar and whisk them up until they're nice and smooth. Now to the eggs, we're going to add 1/2 cup of oil and 1/2 cup of warm milk to mix. 1½ teaspoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of yeast, and 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Give it a quick stir. Next, add 4½ cups of all-purpose flour little by little, about half a cup at a time. Mix it in thoroughly before adding the next batch. We want to get a soft, smooth dough here. Not too sticky, but just right. Once the dough comes together, we'll knead it for about 5 minutes until it's nice and smooth. If it feels too sticky, you can add a little more flour, but be careful not to add too much. We want this dough soft and elastic. Now before we move on to the next step, if you're enjoying this recipe so far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. We've got so many more delicious recipes coming your way, and we want you to be the first to try them. So go ahead, and let's keep cooking. Now that we've kneaded the dough, it's time to let it rest. Cover the dough with a damp cloth and let it rest for 35 to 40 minutes. After the dough has risen, divide the dough into small, bite-sized balls. They don't have to be perfect, but aim for about 1-inch pieces. Once you've got your dough balls ready, grab a Lego sheet or any tool to shape the Khajoor pieces like so. Once you have shaped all your Khajoor pieces, it's time to fry them. Heat some oil in a deep pan on low heat. Carefully drop the dough balls into the oil, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. Fry them until they turn golden brown, which should take about 3 to 4 minutes. Once they're done, remove them from the oil and place them on a paper towel to drain any excess oil. Now here's the fun part: serving. You can enjoy your Khajoor as is, or for an extra touch, dust them with powdered sugar and pistachio powder, or dip them in a sugar syrup if you like them extra sweet. I love the texture of these, crispy on the outside and soft and airy on the inside. Perfect with a cup of tea or coffee. And there you have it. Your delicious homemade Khajoor is ready to enjoy. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe and share this recipe with your friends. See you next time on Food for Life with more amazing recipes. Happy cooking!
Like and subscribe.